So, as a forex trader, I don't know if you've been in that situation whereby you enter trades and the trade goes in your favor, like a risk reward ratio of, let's say, 1:1, and all of a sudden, this is a very good setup you took, a setup that meets all of your trading conditions. It goes into profits, maybe a risk reward ratio of 1:1, and it reverses and takes you out, especially if you did not break even. Takes you out. Even if you break even, it takes you out on break even. And the market does this multiple times. I don't know if you've been in that situation before. How frustrating it can be. That's what my trading has been recently, and it's not funny, guys. Trading, guys, trading. You see this trading thing, Omo, hard. It's very hard, man. Social media will paint it to look like it's one easy thing, and that's why not everybody can trade. I always tell you guys the truth on this channel. See, this trading thing is not really for everybody. Oh. You have to have a very strong heart to be a profitable trader, because there are times the market will test your confidence on your strategy. And that's why people jump from one strategy to the other, because when trying times like this come, you might just be tempted to want to dump your strategy and try another one, not knowing that the ups and downs in forex trading happens to every forex trader, no matter how good you are, and it occurs on every strategy you see out there. No strategy is stop loss proof. There's no strategy. Don't allow anybody deceive you that there's one special strategy out there that will give you 80% win rate. Bro, there's nothing like that. Don't allow anybody deceive you. There are only good traders out there, not good strategies. That consistency that everybody wants to get from trading comes from you, the trader, not really the strategy. The strategy has its own role that it plays. Yes, I agree. But I've discovered that over time, bro, the trader is what determines if he would be successful or not, not even the strategy is making use of. As simple as the ordinary trend line strategy, you can make good money if you're a very good trader, if you're able to master your trading emotions, especially when the chips are down. Personally for me, this week, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this week has tested my emotional stability, and I'm glad I'm actually passing through such a time, because these are the times that builds you and makes you a better trader. Your ability to still stay firm and not blow your account matters a lot. I've realized that, you see, in this forex thing, the number one step to profitability, guys, take this from me. I've been trading since 2017, 2018, so I can give some little bit of advice. I know I'm not profitable yet, though, but I've got a little bit of experience from the market. You see, this profitability we are all seeking from the market comes from first account preservation. If you're able to preserve your account capital, you're able to trade for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, successfully preserving your account. I'm not saying you made profits. You were able to keep your account, you did not blow it, and you're trading week in, week out, bro. You're already a profitable trader. It's just a matter of time. The profits will come gradually. That's just what I just realized. And that's why I'm so super excited these things are actually happening to me, because these are the things that will build you as a forex trader. When the chips are down, do you jump to another strategy? Do you end up blowing your account? Do you increase your lot size? These are the questions we should ask ourselves. Personally, for me, this week has been full of ups and downs. I would enter a trade, it will go in profit for 1:1 and reverse back and hit my break even repeatedly. There are sometimes, okay, I'll say, okay, let me just even take out 1:1, because basically most times I really don't like holding trades to the next day. I'm more of a day trader. But most times when I decide to hold trade till the next day it hits my SL. Then the day I say, okay, I'm a day trader, I'm not gonna swing trade today. Let me just close out on 1:1. That is when the market will go even as far as 1:4. I don't know if it has happened to you before. Personally, for me, it has happened a whole lot of times, and bro, it's not funny. And that is why it's good to journal your trades. Journaling your trades will help you identify and know what to do per time, when to enter your trades per time. If you've not been journaling your trades, guys, please do what to start journaling your trades. If it is to be taking screenshots of your setups, please do what to do that. That's the only way you can track and know when it's best for you to enter your trades and exit. But the hardest part of trading is the emotional side of trading. When the market begins to test you, like personally for me, I've noticed it. I really don't know, guys, man. When you decide to go out on a trade and be like, okay, this the market wants to reverse, let me just go out with little profit. That is when the market will go to your TP. You see the frustration the market does to one that is not emotionally balanced in trading. Then those that are not experienced, when the market begins to do that, they will want to be like, it's like this strategy is not really working. Let me change it. No, see, guys, don't jump from one strategy to the other. Most of you that have, messaged me, I would always tell you this, that strategy is not really the problem. You can use any strategy to be profitable. As simple as EMA crosses, you can just apply those two on your chart and still be profitable. If you yourself as the trader, if you have a balanced trading psychology and a very good understanding of how the market works. I really don't know who this video for, but I just want to let you guys know whatever challenge you're passing through as a forex trader, it's not peculiar to just you alone. It happens to everybody. It's just that these mentors we see online that show us lifestyle and all of that, most of them, they don't tell us the truth. That there comes in a time in a trader's life where everything will seem like it's not working, and that is because the forex market naturally is hard. The odds are already against us by 50%. You get, so you have to really put in the hard work to ensure that you trade with a very good balanced trading psychology, a very good mindset and understanding of how the market works. Because the market will test you all round. It will test your strategy. In fact, at some point, it will look like your strategy is not working. Bro, your strategy works. See, just like I would always put on this channel, mentorship is good, but don't go for mentorship because of that your mentor's strategy. Take this from me, guys. Don't buy somebody's mentorship because of his strategy. Go for a mentor, someone you believe in. Go for that person's mentorship program because of the person's personality, because of the person's sincerity and honesty, because of how the person comes out open and tells you guys the truth. That is the singular reason why you should go for a mentorship program, not because of your strategy. All strategy work, all strategy in this forest space can fetch you good money. But where the work is you, the trader. Are you able to manage your emotions? Because trading will test you emotionally, bro. Well, I'm not even talking about losing streaks. When losing streaks begin to hit you front, left, right, and center. Okay, you would even say, okay, maybe I'm not following my rules, bro. There are times in this FX space, you go follow your rules 100%. You go see lose back to back. I don't know if haven't you experienced it, guys, where you enter an A plus setup. This one we say you ticked all the box, all the criteria that are required for your trade entry to be valid. All of them are valid, but the trade will still hit SL. And that can happen for like your next 3-4 trades. What do you do? That's the reality of trading, not somebody trying to make it look like trading is one math. See, yeah, trading is not 1+1. That's one thing I've realized. Trading is not 1+1. And no matter how good your A plus setup is, have it at the back of your mind that your A plus setup can fail you. And there's nothing you can do about it. The market will just keep on doing. See, the market not send the kind of strategy when you trade, oh. Bro. The market does not care about you. It does not care about your entry technique. It does not care about your loss size. The market will do what it wants to do. So the reason why I'm doing this video is to let you guys know that we are all in this together. We are all in this together, guys. You see that struggle you're passing through, that ups and downs and all of that, bro. It happens to everybody. You're not alone. You are not alone. Don't allow anybody to deceive you and make it look like there's one perfect strategy out there that will just be fetching you money. You won't take losses. Losing streaks does not affect it. Bro, that's not true. Losing streak occurs and happens to every strategy. What keeps you in the game is you as the forex trader. How do you manage the downtime in trading? And that's one thing that I'm grateful to God that I'm beginning to see stability in my own trading. If it was before, I would have been thinking of maybe changing strategy or changing my manner of entry and exit and all of that. But bro, I've understood that this thing happens to every strategy out there. My number one target now as a trader is account preservation. And this is the part I want to lay emphasis on as a forex trader. You watching my YouTube channel, focus on account preservation. the profits will come naturally and gradually. It might not come fast, it will come gradually and naturally. Ensure by all means you don't blow your account, because that one loss or three losses you had in a row is just three or four out of 1,000 other trades you take in future. So why get yourself so emotionally attached to those few losses you had? I just thought to share this video on how I feel about the markets lately. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, my name is Michael. I'm documenting my trading journey here on YouTube. I share my trade ideas weekly, and I just talk about all things about Forex, the ups and downs. And I just show you guys the truth about Forex trading that you might not have known. If you sort of like contents like this, please, and you're yet to subscribe, please do what to subscribe to this YouTube channel. For those that are already subscribed, thank you very much. We are almost close to 200 subscribers. Please, let's do what to subscribe to this channel. If what I just said makes sense to you and you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please, guys, subscribe to this channel. That's the only way you can encourage me to keep on doing more videos like this. If I had the opportunity to see videos like this on YouTube when I started out in trading, I would have gone far in trading. But when I started out, it was more of lifestyle videos all over YouTube. Everybody was selling one thing, one ebook or one mentorship program. Nobody was telling us the truth about trading. But I thank God that there are some other sincere traders out there that are beginning to come up and tell us the truth about trading. That it's not all blues, bro. There are times that the market will give you all reds. What do you do? Those are the times you have to really stand strong as a forex trader and tell yourself, no, I will not allow my emotions move me. I will not increase my loss size. I will not rewind trade. I will stick to my trading plan. You know, I know this video will profit somebody out there, and that's the reason why I just thought to do this. And please, if this video gave value, please do what to like the video, drop a comment in the comment section, and let's just interact. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching the video to this extent. I appreciate you guys. See you guys in my next video. Let's keep pushing. Bye.